Wondered if your compression garments have expired? We get that question quite a bit. Some people will come in with garments that they've been wearing for years, and we politely tell them that they're probably not doing as much as they should be anymore. So as you probably have learned, maybe on other segments of our videos that we've shared, number one, compression garments should always be sized for you. So definitely ask us if you haven't been properly sized. Second of all, garments typically last from 6 months to a year. So depending on how many pairs you have, how many pairs you rotate, and how you keep up with the laundering and how much you wear them is kind of that's how you base how old they are. So if you have 3 pairs of garments and you've been wearing them for 6 months, they probably still have a little bit of life left in them. But you kind of want to stick to that guideline, 6 months to about a year. Stockings are one of those garments that you definitely want to machine wash without fabric softener, and you want to put them in the dryer at least for a few minutes to dry them. They don't have to go the full cycle, but that dryer segment is very important to return the compression level back to its recommended garment. So definitely put them in the dryer. Don't air dry them. So as far as the Velcro Ferro wraps, those seem to want to last a little bit more to the 9-month mark. The Velcro kind of gets a little bit funny on the edges sometimes, and it can kind of catch on your pants if you wear them frequently with pants. So that garment is a little bit more kind of in the middle of that 9-month mark. But the truth of the matter is we don't want you wearing any kind of compression and being really diligent and maybe even struggling to put them on and off if they're not working. So definitely, if you have any questions about the age of your garment, even if you didn't purchase them from us, let us know and let us look at them. Let us do some assessing measures, and then we can let you know if you need new compression garments, because again, why wear something if it's not going to work? As of this year, 2024, there's a new law in effect that if you have Medicare, 80% of your compression garments will be covered, and you would have to pay a 20%. If you have Medicare and a secondary, most of the times your garments are covered at 100%, and you can get multiple garments in a 6-month period. So definitely ask us if we haven't brought that up to you, how we can help get you all the garments that your condition requires.